Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Ascot Corner is a municipality in the Estrie region of southern Quebec, located east of Sherbrooke along the St. Francis River. The community has a population of roughly 3,500 people and is known for its rural landscapes, forests, farmland, and small-town character. Ascot Corner sits within the Eastern Townships region, an area shaped by rivers, rolling hills, and a long history of settlement connected to both English and French communities. The history of Ascot Corner dates back to the late 1700s and early 1800s when settlers began arriving in the Eastern Townships following the American Revolution. Many early settlers were loyalists and immigrants from the United States and Britain, who moved north into what was then largely undeveloped land. The region developed differently from older French settlements along the St. Lawrence River because of this early English-speaking influence. Farming, forestry, and small industries became the foundation of local communities throughout the area. The St. Francis River played an important role in the development of Ascot Corner and nearby communities. Rivers throughout the Eastern Townships provided transportation routes, water power for mills, and access to natural resources. Sawmills and grist mills were established during the 19th century, helping local settlements grow. The river also supported agriculture by providing fertile land along its banks, contributing to the region's farming economy for generations. Agriculture remains an important part of the landscape around Ascot Corner today. Fields, farms, and wooded areas continue to define much of the surrounding countryside. Dairy farming, maple syrup production, and crop cultivation are common throughout the Estrie region. Rural roads and open landscapes reflect the area's long connection to farming and natural resource industries that helped shape local communities over the past 2 centuries. The municipality's location near Sherbrooke has also influenced its growth during recent decades. Improved transportation routes and regional development encouraged more residential construction as people looked for communities outside larger urban centers. While Ascot Corner remains smaller than nearby cities, it has continued to grow steadily as part of the wider Sherbrooke region. Residential neighborhoods now exist alongside farmland, forests, and rivers that continue to define the local environment. Nature plays a major role in daily life throughout Ascot Corner. Forests, rivers, and rolling hills provide opportunities for outdoor recreation throughout the year. Summers bring hiking, cycling, fishing, and boating activities, while autumn transforms the landscape with colorful foliage common throughout the Eastern Townships. Winters bring snow-covered forests and support activities such as snowmobiling, skiing, and snowshoeing across the region. The Eastern Townships region is also known for its cultural mix of English and French influences. Historic churches, farms, schools, and older homes throughout the countryside reflect this combined heritage. Over time, French became the dominant language across much of the region, although English-speaking traditions and place names remain visible throughout communities such as Ascot Corner. This cultural blend helped create the distinct identity associated with the Estrie region today. Transportation has long been important to the development of Ascot Corner. Roads connecting Sherbrooke with smaller towns throughout the Eastern Townships help support trade, settlement, and regional growth during the 19th and 20th centuries. Today, highways and regional roads continue to connect the municipality with nearby urban centers while preserving much of the surrounding rural landscape. The nearby city of Sherbrooke serves as the economic and cultural center of the region. Sherbrooke's universities, hospitals, shopping districts, and industries provide employment and services for many surrounding communities, including Ascot Corner. At the same time, smaller municipalities throughout the region continue to maintain their own local identity connected to agriculture, outdoor recreation, and regional history. Today, Ascot Corner represents the combination of rural heritage, natural scenery, and gradual modern growth that defines many communities in southern Quebec's Eastern Townships. The municipality remains connected to the forests, rivers, and farmland that shaped its development while benefiting from its location near Sherbrooke and the wider Estrie region. Visitors passing through Ascot Corner experience a landscape influenced by settlement history, agriculture, and the changing seasons of southern Quebec.
Thanks for watching!